I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we have a story about how to tag products on YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. So today I'm going to go over some of the do's and the don'ts for tagging products on YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. You can see tag products on the Shorts Remix. I believe this is available for content creators on YouTube who have more than 10,000 subscribers. I believe last year it was like 20,000 subscribers, but this year it's down to 10,000 subscribers. Maybe next year it'll be 5,000 subscribers. So once you hit around 5 to about 10,000 subscribers, you probably will be available for the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. And then they offer you up to 30 products, per video. Now on YouTube Shorts, I normally only put about 20 products because 20 products show up. But for full-length videos, I normally go with the full 30 products. As you can see, I'm editing a WWE 2K24 video. So I'm gonna tag products related to this video. Now I want to stress, it does not have to just be video games. Now, I'm going to go over some of the products that I do like to tag and some of the products that I don't like to tag. But you can see that this is a WWE 2K24 video game. But I'm not going to just tag video game products. That's just, as you can see, now we're going to go to stores. There are a lot of stores. This is one of the most important parts of this video, is that there are a lot of stores. So take 3 to 4 minutes and go over. You can see the Adidas stores. There's Abercrombie and there's just a lot of stores. It goes from A all the way down to Z. So there's a lot of stores. That means there are a lot of options. When you put in a keyword search, I want to stress to you, I don't know how the algorithm works, but it does not show you every single product related to that one item. You'll probably get, for whatever search you put on the home page, you probably would get 30 or 40 items, but that's not in the entire inventory. It's just some kind of random itemized homepage for you situation. But you can see there's a lot of stores, So if you have a product you're looking for, go and check at a specific store. Go and look at Macy's. Go and look at Target. Go and look at Walgreens. Don't just look at the main page and think that's everything that that's available, right? You can see the WWE shop is right here, right? So I could go to the WWE shop and I could tag a bunch of products. There's a lot of products here I can tag under the WWE shop. Now, like I said, once again, once you go to the WWE shop, just because you go to this page, this is not all of the products from the WWE shop, right? It's just some kind of, like I said, it's just some type of For You page, right? So I want to X out of that. Now I'm on the home screen of the tag products, right? We can go back, hit the main. Now this is the main page. It's blank. So if I want to look for, let's say, WWE 2K24, right? I could put that in. Now you can see you have options from GameStop. You have options from Target, QVC, Walmart. So first thing you should do anytime you put in any search, right, for whatever you're looking for besides the WWE store, do research on what stores are popping up under your search, right? So now I know if I'm looking for WWE 2K24 product, I can go to stores like Target, Walmart, QVC, WWE.com, GameStop, right? So all of these are stores that I can potentially go to, and more, obviously, right? But those are the baseline of stores that I'm going to be looking for as far as WWE 2K24 product. Now, like I said, just because it's a WWE 2K24 product doesn't mean I have to only tag WWE 2K24 product, right? You can see the cover of this video is a Roman Reigns cover. So what I could also do, right, I could just easily just go and look for Roman Reigns product, right? We could go to the main page, and once again, you have Target, Walmart, Target and Walmart, right? But once again, like I said, just because you put this search in, that does not mean you're gonna get all of the options. One of my favorite things I said I like to do is just search specific stores. Now, there's another really, really good store that's already connected to WWE, and that has a lot of WWE product that I discovered by looking through this search. It's Fanatics. So I could hit the apply button, and now you can see all of this product that shows up for Roman Reigns that did not show up on the main page, right? Almost you saw you saw Walmart, you saw Target, see GameStop and all of that stuff, but you didn't see any Fanatics. So like I said, I really, 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 really want to stress that if you go to the main page and you put in a search, right, that's not going to give you all of the options. You can see it's only showing me this is the main page, right? I could go back, right? This is the main page right here. Tag products, right? I look for Roman Reigns, and no WWE store showed up, right? No Fanatics items showed up. The only thing I saw was Walmart and Target. So I think a lot of people are just seeing what's showing up on their main page and not specifically looking in different stores. So like I said, it's extremely important if you check out different stores for the product that you are looking for, right? I can go all the way down to WWE store, and I'm going to find a lot more Roman Reigns product that wasn't highlighted on the main page, right? So just, take some time. If you're looking for a product on the main page and it only shows you like 20 items, go to a specific store, Target, try Walmart, or whatever specific store, that's in your genre, and go and tag the product. Like I said, just take a few minutes, I've looked over this lineup many times. Remember, another thing is YouTube are constantly adding new stores to this YouTube shopping affiliate program. So do not be afraid to look around. Let's see if randomly, if we could just find like a random store that would also be selling Roman Reigns product. Maybe Foot Locker. I don't think so. Let's see. No product there from Foot Locker for Roman Reigns. Let's see if we could find like another random store that just happened to sell Roman Reigns product. Champ Sports. Is that possible? Let me see. Okay. No, Champ Sports. So this is the thing you want to do. I have noticed it takes a lot of time. I'm not going to lie. The adding products takes a lot of time. Another thing that I did not mention that for some reason does not show up on the mobile version is that right now I could look at this and it says estimated commission is 8%. It says go to product page. But if I tag this product, I don't know if this product is out of stock. For some reason on your mobile device, YouTube mobile is a whole nother story. But for some reason on the mobile device, it does not tell you if this product is out of stock. On your PC, on your laptop, you could check and it will tell you if this product is out of stock. That's another very important thing that, so when you do upload some of these videos and you tag product, you're probably going to be tagging more product on your laptop and on your PC, because like I said, on the mobile, right, you think you could just tag everything like this, like this, like this. And, when you go to view, it doesn't tell you if the product is out of stock, but on your PC and on your laptop, it does tell you if product is out of stock. So that's another thing I wanted to mention, but I'm just doing a mobile version here. So I do want to mention that to the mobile creators. Don't just go on and just tag everything because you just see it, and thinking like, oh, it's good. Some products are out of stock. So that's also important to go back on older videos, right? If you can go back on older videos, sometimes you may tag this Roman Reigns Ultimate Edition Mattel toy, right? You may tag it today, but 2 months from now, it may be sold out. So you also want to go back on older videos, right? After you tag product, a month, 2 months, right? And you want to make sure you are re-tagging products because, obviously stuff goes out of sale. But I do want to end this video just trying to randomly find another store that would sell some kind of Roman Reigns product. Let's see. We already tried Foot Locker. We tried Champ Sports. There's another site that they always seem to have stuff. It's called Red Bubble, I think, right? Let me see. They usually, I think this right here, Newegg, I feel like they may have something. Nothing? Jesus. Okay, hold on. This is a guarantee right here. But this is what you want to do. I know this seems tedious, but you do want to check different stores for product that, this is how I found, this product right here, this Redbubble. They always seem to have something for almost anybody. But yeah, you do, you can see they have Roman Reigns, the only one. They have stickers, they have t-shirts, they have posters, right? So you could tag a bunch of these phone covers, right? So like I said, just because you put Roman Reigns in the main screen, it's not going to show you all of the Roman Reigns or whatever product you are looking for, right? That's one point I want to make. The second point I want to make is when you do tag product, be sure to go, if you're tagging on mobile, be sure to check on your PC and your laptop, because on mobile, for some reason, YouTube mobile, it's a whole nother story, but YouTube mobile does not let you know if this product from Target is out of stock, where, like I said, when you go on your PC, in this description, it would tell you out of stock. But for some reason, for mobile, maybe in a year, maybe when they update it, hopefully they will add that. But as of right now, you cannot see if the product is out of stock on your mobile device. And the last point I want to make, that's probably the most important point to make, is going through this store list. Don't be afraid to take, like you see in this video alone, I went through the list like 3 times, right? So like I said, it is tedious. Sooner or later, you're going to find, stores that you automatically know have your product. I could always go to Fanatics when I'm looking for WWE stuff. I could always go to WWE Shop. I can go to Target. I can go to Redbubble. I can go to Walmart. I could always do that for if I'm looking for WWE product. And I'm always tagging different items. You don't want to just tag, unless you're doing like a specific product review, right? I'm not gonna just tag, just one item. Just because this is a video game doesn't mean I'm just gonna tag the video game. Now, I'm also not gonna troll, because this is WWE 2K24. I'm not gonna go and just tag random video games. Like, I'm probably not going to do that for this, but I will do stuff where I could tag, I could tag a product like PS5, right? It's a PS5 game, right? So I could throw in PS5 consoles, right? I could throw in maybe Xbox consoles, even though it's a PS5 game, I'll throw in the Xbox console, right? Because, you could play it on Xbox, right? So I would do that. I would also throw in, maybe a Roman Reigns t-shirt, right? Roman Reigns shirt, right? Not okay, right? I'll throw in a Roman Reigns shirt, maybe tag 3 or 4 of those. Roman Reigns toy, right? So there's many different options. You don't want to just tag the video game. You could throw toys in there. It's related items. Like I said, you don't want to troll and tag your products with stuff that's literally not related, but because you are allowed to tag up to 30 products, if you want to tag 1 or 2 products, that's fine. Me, I'm always going to tag as many as I can, because I want to give my video subscribers and the people who view the videos many different options. I may be a t-shirt person, but someone watching it may want, a throw pillow, a throw cover, a toy, a book bag, a t-shirt, some sneakers, right? A video game console, a controller. Like, there's many options, right? But like I said, let me know if you have any questions. This is a new YouTube program, right, for creators. Like I said, last year I wasn't a part of this program. I don't have 20,000 subscribers, so I want to do this. I know a lot of people watching this video like, hey Jason, I don't have 10,000 subscribers right now, but like I said, last year I didn't have 20,000 subscribers, but they dropped the requirement levels, and now it's 10,000 subscribers. Like I said, maybe next year it'll be 5,000, or maybe it'll still be 10,000. But if you are getting to 10,000, or if you're at 10,000, you should have the ability to tag products. There's many options you can use. Don't rush through it, and do not troll. Don't tag unrelated products, but don't be afraid to tag stuff that is related to the product. I'm tagging a video game, a WWE 2K24 video game. But you see, I'm going to put Roman Reigns toys. I'm going to put Roman Reigns t-shirts in there. If I can find a book bag, I may put a WWE championship belt in there, just to really give the people watching the video many different options. Because like I said, some people watching the video may not just want the video game, right? If I was to just tag the video game, some people want Roman Reigns t-shirts. Some people want Roman Reigns pants, or a hat, or stuff like that, right? So don't be afraid to tag related products, but don't troll and tag things that literally are not related because they're popular, right? Because they're not going to sell on your video. But let me know. This is a long video. I went into a complete tangent, but you got to be, like with these videos, you can't just rush through them. There are a lot of questions I know people are still going to have. I didn't answer all of them, but like I said, it's a few things, there's so many things you want to take from this video, but if the only thing you take from this video is, listen, when you put in the search on the home page, the YouTube algorithm it's extremely important to tell you this, is not going to tell you all of the product that you have for that search item. So you will, right? I'm telling you right now, not for the most part, you'll find enough tags, enough product on your homepage. But for some products, like I said, you put Roman Reigns in, nothing from the Fanatics, nothing from WWE.com .shop or .com, WWEshop.com shows up on the homepage, right? It doesn't even show up. Like, this is all, it doesn't give you everything. So you will have to specifically look at specific stores for some of your search items. And like I said, also go back. This is going to be very important because this is a new program. If you tag a video today, do not be afraid to go back a month or 2 months from now to check if that product is still available and not out of stock on your page, because then you'll have people viewing your page and you'll have 30 products of out of stock, right? But let me know if you have any questions. I have no idea how long this video went. I went on a complete tangent. I know it's a very long video, but let me know if you have any questions about the YouTube shopping affiliate program. It's a new program for YouTube content creators with at least 10,000 subscribers in 2024. You never know, in 2025 it could be 5,000. But let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or how to or not to, for the YouTube shopping affiliate program as far as tagging products on your videos. You can tag long form videos and you can tag short form videos. I don't believe you can tag like community post, not that I know of at the moment. But let me know if you have any questions. I am Jason. The world is yours. Today we had a very long tangent video on how to tag products from the YouTube shopping affiliate program. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button, and please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.